Oh, this is very good. I think we have a new leader.
New leader.
Caramel puffs.
Yeah, because
They taste like caramel corn.
he loves caramel. And you love that popcorn. Popcorn that the flavor is caramel, right? We buy in Fifi Island.
10 out of 10 for Moby caramel puffs.
I love Moby too. Like the chocolate flavor and this. I love Moby.
But for me, I always like sweet things better than salty things anyway, so that's why.
Yeah, it's 10. This is step 1. Hi guys, welcome back again to our channel. So today we'll be doing my fiance will try Filipino snacks and he will rate them like 1 to 10.
1 to 10. Okay.
So I have here like this. Will be my favorite. Then Oishi. And then Nova. And then Mahuan. And then chips and chips. And then Hato. And Chicky. We have lots to try. Peewee.
We already ate the peas, whatever they were called.
And Richie, it's okay.
But they were very good.
Yeah.
So
Let's try. What do you try first? This one. Kiwi. Let's try that. I will just do like that so we can tell you. Okay. Try this last.
this is Pee-wee Sizzling BBQ.
Yeah. It's yummy or not? I love that. Pee-wee.
It's yummy. Not much barbecue flavor. It's just like a puff, something kind of puff.
Right?
I give it 6 out of 10.
6?
6.
You don't like?
No, I don't. It's okay. I don't love it, but I don't hate it.
Okay.
There's not a lot of flavor, but it'd be fun to snack on.
Yeah. I love Pee-wee when I was a kid.
That's because you're a Pee-wee.
Next is this last one. Piato.
What is it?
Piato.
Picato?
You will love this.
So this is
Piato.
Piato, sour cream and onion flavored potato chips. So this would probably just be like a regular sour cream and onion chip.
Good.
Yeah, this tastes just like any old. We have sour cream and onion chips in America. They're good. I give these 8 out of 10.
I love Piato.
Hmm?
I love them. You like it?
Yeah, they're yummy. I give it 8 out of 10.
Yeah. Good. And then we're eating snack because we're on the beach now. We're hungry. We're swimming a lot.
Plus, she won't stop nagging if we don't do this.
Then the wish.
This is Oishi prawn crackers.
Oishi, yeah.
Prawn is basically, I think, what we call shrimp usually.
Yeah. I love it.
They're good. I like the prawn flavor. I give these 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10. Oishi! By the way, guys, this is not a sponsored video.
These are just some of May's favorite snacks growing up.
Yeah. 7 left? Oh. Okay. Next in. This love. Mang Juan.
Chicharron. What flavor is this?
Special sukat sili. Say it, sukat sili.
Sokasi.
Sukat sili. Sukasi. Sukasi.
It's like a vinegar flavor or something.
Yeah, vinegar and chili. Love.
It's okay. 6 out of 10. So far, my favorite was those peas that we ate the other day. What were they? Coated peas or something like that.
Green pea. Muncher. You already eat the muncher.
They were very good.
It makes me. Oh.
That's because you got corona.
So the piatos is the top of the list. Not yet, but like we already tried 4. Yeah, I already tried 4 now.
So far, they're all okay. They're just
Yeah.
like normal.
And this chippy.
But that's why we need that drink to wash out the flavors of each one of the tin.
Yeah.
Because she's small.
Yeah, this one.
So this is Jack and Jill, Chippy, corn. So these will be like Fritos probably. Like we have in US, they're called Fritos, and we have barbecue Fritos.
Yummy.
These are good.
You like it?
Yeah. 8 out of 10.
That's the same. The piatos and chippy.
The peas were 9 out of 10, so they're winning. But we don't have a picture to show you because May made me eat them the other day.
I already ate it.
These are just like Fritos. We have like these.
Excuse me.
She said moment.
We need.
Yes?
She said,
Okay. Thank you.
you're so pushy. Did you already pay?
Yeah. Huh?
Did you already pay?
I already paid. Cheese and chips. I try first.
This is kind of boring.
Huh?
They're puffy, so they're fun to snack on. I mean, but this one doesn't have much flavor. Probably because the other ones were spicier.
Yeah. Look, guys. There's a guy that don't.
I give this 6 out of 10.
So the top is the piako and then the chippy. 7 out of 10. Next. You love this with caramel.
You'll love American snacks when we get there.
Why?
Like you had Doritos and all that before, right?
Yeah, you buy Doritos in that condo.
Oh, this is very good. I think we have a new leader. Caramel pops.
Yeah, because
They taste like caramel corn.
he loves caramel.
Mmm.
And you love that popcorn. Popcorn that the flavor is caramel, right? We buy in Fifi Island.
10 out of 10 for Moby caramel pops.
I love movie too. Like the chocolate flavor and this. I love movie.
But for me, I always like sweet things better than salty things anyway, so that's why.
Yeah, it's 10. This is his top 1. Maybe you like it too.
Give me back. You're stealing my favorite. Welcome to my life.
Love you, love.
Love you, man.
Next is the sweet cheese. Maybe you love this too.
Oh. Take that before I eat the whole bag.
This.
And this is
Richie.
Crunchy snack, milk flavor. What? Milk flavor crunchy snack?
Philippine foods came here in Thailand. I'm exporting. ChadMae?
It's okay. It's kind of bland.
Yeah.
Milk flavor. Sorry, Richie. 5 out of 10.
Yeah, so he stopped.
It doesn't taste bad.
We
It
still
just
have
doesn't
this
taste good.
Nova. I think you will love this.
I think these look like what we call sun chips in America. We have like these like sun chips. They have different flavors, and I do like them at home.
So you will love this. You can open it up because I will put this. We have like open that. After we eat all of these chips, we will swim. No, we will burn the.
Yeah, these are just like sun chips.
Yeah. Right,
These
sir.
are good. 7 out of 10.
Just 7. I love Nova.
It's
So-
country cheddar, but I think I would like a different flavor better. They have different flavor.
Just like, yeah, I think they have different. Yeah, he's doing. Look, guys, he's doing exercise in the middle of the super hot.
Water.
In the middle of super hot.
Thank you. Do you want your coconut?
Yeah, I want.
Thank you very much.
Look, guys, he's doing his exercise in the middle of the beach and of the hot, super hot sun. He's cute. What's that, love? So,
Come back.
yeah,
Our coconuts came while you had the camera around.
it's okay.
Coconut on the beach.
Oh, it's big.
Nothing like drinking a coconut on the beach in Thailand.
Yeah. So guys, he loves movie. The movie Caramel, and that's 10 out of 10. And your least favorite love was, what's that, the 5
The
love?
milk flavor.
Yeah, the Richie. Sorry, Richie.
Well, I just don't like milk flavored snack.
We have coconut because we eat junk food. His favorite is movie. So guys, that's all for today. I hope.
When we get her to USA, we'll do snacks in USA.
Yeah.
She'll love that.
I hope you enjoy our vlog for today. Our walang kwentang vlog.
Our walang plum.
What? Our walang kwentang
Walang plum
vlog.
vlog.
Hi
Peace and
guys.
love.
Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.
So take my hand, I wanna grow old with you beside me.